On the ground. Keep chatting with us, guys. Share your thoughts. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Use that hashtag VVLive. Dow, over to you.
Thank you so much. If your grandma ever told you to save something because it might be worth a lot of money someday, then Renee and Jessica Poole are the ones to call to see if she was right. They join me now to talk about their unique store downtown. Welcome to both of you. How are you?
Thank you. Good. How are you?
Great, thank you. Renee, let's start with you. Tell us about your store and why you decided to open up over a decade ago.
Well, I'm an estate liquidator, so I do estate sales on site at people's homes, and there's a lot of estate sales that are too small, so I thought it would be great to start a warehouse.
So you've been doing this before it became popular on HGTV.
Yes.
So you've been doing this for a very long time, and do people have some really good things here in Vegas?
They do, and some not so much.
Yeah. You've collected some great things, though, through your store, which is a consignment store, right? And what does that mean, a consignment store, for people who do not know?
So a consignment store basically means if you have an item that you wanted to sell, you can bring it to us, we sell it for you, and then we take a percentage of what we sell it for.
So that way the people don't have to worry about it.
Exactly. You don't have to put it on, you don't have to deal with the people.
Yeah.
You bring it to us, we do it for you. We're going to get more than you're going to get because people are coming to find us. They're going to find your item. And so we're kind of like the medium.
Yes.
Right. And a lot of people don't have enough for us to do an estate sale.
Right.
So
collectively, you've got a lot of items to sell at your warehouse.
yeah,
Can you tell
we're
us?
12,000 square
Yeah.
feet.
That's huge.
Yeah.
Now, can you tell us about some of the great things that you brought in today?
Sure. We brought a little bit of all eras. This is just a really cool shadow box that somebody made, which is all mother related. So it has like a mother hanky and mother cards and I love you mother and a mother locket. And it's just a cute way to collect all kinds of little things and then show them off in a shadow box.
And what about this stuff right here?
So this is more of a retro. We kind of tried to bring some retro stuff, which more of the younger generation is collecting. The retro is coming back. So we've got some Pyrex that people actually use nowadays in their fridges, so it's come back.
Pyrex is super popular.
Yeah, it's really popular. Some fun solo cups, little picnic basket, something to bring in your picnic basket. So we've got our little retro area over here, next to a not so retro, adorable.
That's so cute.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
That's
So
vintage.
people will bring in clothing and hats and accessories.
We have some clothing, we have tons of costume jewelry, we've got some clothing, we've got I mean, you name it, we probably have it. We have things that department stores carry at a much lower price. You're just not getting the box.
And look at the Lifetime magazines in the original cover, the
Yes.
little thing that it came in.
Yeah, we have literally a hallway full of magazines, of postcards, of newspapers, all vintage, all real
And
vintage.
this is something you could get right now in Anthropologie, but this is old glass that
This
you
is
would
old,
find
yeah.
there.
Yep.
This is old depression glass, and as you can see, some of it was made. This is called elegant glass from the same period, but it was made for a better dressed table. And then this is depression glass, and this is the pink depression glass. It's wonderful.
And you have a special offer going on as well?
Yes, we're giving
For Valentine's
15%
Day?
off for anyone who mentions the show.
Now, have fights ever broken out in your store over an item that was rare?
Not so much at the store as at the estate sales themselves. I mean, we've actually had people like tear aluminum foil out of each other's hands. Yes. Over aluminum
What was so
foil.
special about aluminum foil?
Because when you think about what you're saving, as opposed to when you go to a store and you buy aluminum foil, and it's $4 or $5, and we're selling it for $1. So when you think about how
Prices.
much, when you think about toilet paper and silly things like aluminum foil and your kitchen products, how much you're actually saving when you come to an estate sale, it's mind-boggling when you do the math.
Yeah, because we sell the pots, the pans, the spices, everything.
Just
So,
everything. That's not nailed down, basically.
Exactly, that's exactly it.
Well, ladies, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Find out if your old stuff is trash or treasure at Not Just Antiques Mart. They are located on Western Avenue in downtown Vegas and are open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 5:30. Learn more at the website on your screen. We'll be right back.